Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the review of the Bluetooth earphones from GeekCases. So in this video we'll talk about the GeekCases 515 Bluetooth earphones with aptX technology, and we'll do the detailed review of this earphone. So first we'll do the unboxing of this GeekCases Bluetooth earphones and show you what's all inside the box, what you get inside the box when you buy this earphone, and also we have a surprise giveaway towards the end of this video. So stay tuned for the giveaway and watch the video till the end to know how to participate in this giveaway. So let's get started. So this is the GeekCases Bluetooth earphones. So this has some really good features. We have been using this earphone for a few days and we have been using during our travel recently, and this is a 515 wireless sports earphone available from GeekCases. So this is available on Amazon, so we'll share the link in the description of this video, and we'll talk about what all are the highlight features of this earphone. So first let's get started with unboxing. So you can see here this important features are mentioned here: up to 6 hours of playback, built-in microphone, magnetic attaching mechanism, then water and sweat resistant, and here we have superior sound quality, and this has the Qualcomm's aptX technology, and you can see that Qualcomm's aptX technology is mentioned here. And the pricing of this GeekCases Bluetooth earphone is around 2,499, 2,500 rupees is the pricing, and this is available on Amazon. So let's get started with the unboxing. So let's first open this, and there you go. That's what comes inside the box. So you can see the Bluetooth earphones snapped into this case. So let's just take this out. First let's just take this out. So there you go. So now we have taken this out from the box, and this is the actual earphone. It looks really good. The finishing is pretty spot on. It's a metal construction, and you can see there is a perfect finishing for this earphone, and there is also additional buds available that we'll talk about later. So you can see that there is a magnetic mechanism, so this means it won't fall out of your neck. So this is how this earphone look. It's very compact and easy to use, nothing much other than the options here. You can see that this is the power button, and the volume up and down keys are included, and this is the option to charge this earphone, and this can be charged in around 1.5 to 2 hours time, and this is a smaller capacity battery. We'll talk about the battery later. So first looking at the build quality, it looks pretty good. You can see the GeekCases mentioned here. You can also accept calls using these earphones, and this quality looks really good. You can see the finishing looks pretty spot on, and quality is really amazing for this segment. Now let's see what else comes inside the box. You can see that there is a pouch included for this earphone, so that's really useful to carry it around. It's pretty useful. It's a really good quality case. That's something that surprised us. It's a really good quality case, and let's open the case and see what all comes inside. So you can see it comes with additional earbuds included. So you can see here the additional earbuds are included. So it also comes with an option to it has this pin to attach to your collar, so that's also included in case you want to secure it while using. So that's included. Then other than that, you also get the charging cable. The standard micro USB charging cable is included, so that's inside the box. So you can secure the earphones in this box, so that's really handy when you are traveling. You don't have to carry it just inside the bag. Instead you can use this case that makes the earphones a bit more secure, and damages are less. So that's something really good. So to start using the earphones, what you need to do is just press and hold this power button, and you can see that it will start the Bluetooth earphone. So this is now in pairing mode. So once, what you need to do is that you need to switch on your smartphone with the Bluetooth enabled and search for this, and you can start pairing your Bluetooth earphone with the smartphone. So this is compatible with Android laptops, tablets, iPhones, and any other gadgets available. And you can see that this is the charging slot available. This is a micro USB charging slot included with the Bluetooth earphones. Now let's go to the performance aspect of this earphone. So we have been testing these earphones for quite some time, and we are impressed with the quality of the sound output. It's really amazing sound output for this price segment, and the bass performance is something which really impresses. And the GeekCases Bluetooth earphones are powered by CSR 8645 chipset, which is a stereo ROM solution from Qualcomm's with aptX codec technology. And we also already seen aptX technology, and aptX technology audio enhances the wireless sound quality of headphones and earphones and provide crystal clear sound just like what you get from wired headphones. So that's a really important aspect. So it has this Qualcomm's dedicated chipset, which is stereo ROM, and with aptX technology it improves the sound output altogether. Then other than that, it also has a CVC 6.0 noise cancellation, and it does a really good job here with noise cancellation. We used these earphones during our flight journey, and it was really good in terms of the noise reduction, and it can also pair up to two devices at the same time, so you can simultaneously listen from two devices. So that's the performance aspect. So we are really impressed about the performance of this earphones, and really recommend them if you're looking for great performance earphones. So other than that, the GeekCases Bluetooth earphones are also IPX5 certified. That means it is slightly water resistant. It can take up sweat and water splashes, and it won't cause any issues to the earphones. So that's an additional option for the earphones. Now other than that, the battery life, it has a 255 mAh battery, which takes around 1.5 to 2 hours for charging. The charging time is slightly on the higher side, and the battery capacity is slightly on the lower side of 55 into 2. That means around 110 mAh battery is included, and the battery performance is quite acceptable, because the company says around 6 hours of battery life you get, but in real we got around 4.5 to 5 hours is the maximum we got. So that's again acceptable for the extremely compact design. You don't have any bigger components here, only the smaller components are included. For that, this 5 hours is quite good performance, and it perfectly sticks on to your ear. So we have been using this for quite some time, and it's extremely comfortable to use, and even when you're using for longer period of time, you don't have any sort of pain in your ears, and it perfectly fits into your ear. And if you want a smaller size earbuds, you can also have additional buds which is provided with the box pack. So overall, the GeekCases Bluetooth earphones are really good investment, and definitely worth the money you pay. So that was the detailed review of the GeekCases 515 Bluetooth earphones, and we are giving one Bluetooth earphone in this giveaway to one lucky winner. So the contest rules are pretty simple. We have the link for our social media handles in the description of this video. We have the Twitter, Instagram and Facebook handles. So you just need to follow all these handles, and then post a comment why you need these earphones and which device you are going to use with these earphones. So that is a quick giveaway, and these earphones are priced 2499, and one of the lucky winners will get this GeekCases delivered at your home. So that was the giveaway. So hope this video was useful, and this is definitely one of the good earphones available right now in this price. So if in case you want to buy these earphones, you can head over to the Amazon link in the description of this video. So that's it for this video and giveaway. Hope you enjoyed watching this. This is Umar signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.